myself and a known actress, Thejaswini, we are here on a very special program of inauguration of Seren Med Lounge, which is established by a very reputed and famous doctor, Dr.Anil S. Mehta. Dr. Anil Mehta is known for his very special character of friendship and the way he has practiced his profession in Bangalore. He has not treated only patients. He treated his friends, and all the patients whom he has treated have become his friends. That is the speciality of Anil Mehta. I am really thrilled to understand and digest the vision of Dr. Mehta. We all know how patients are treated by doctors, how patients are scared to go into hospitals, how patients will feel when they are in hospital. All these difficulties, apprehensions, feelings should overcome. That is the idea of Anil Mehta. And Dr. Mehta has created an atmosphere here wherein we feel that we are sitting with a doctor, but we will feel that we are sitting with a friend to chat. And the great atmosphere, what is created here, will be a novel one, and it will solve many of the psychological problems or psychological issues of many of the patients or you call friends who come here and get themselves feel that they are very comfortable, they have no problem. That sense of confidence will definitely be there with the patients or friends who whatsoever you call here. This Seren Medical Lounge will have lot of opportunities and challenges to face in city like Bangalore. We all know that Bangalore is growing very fast, particularly in medical care. It is going to be one of the top cities of the country. And this medical lounge, this Seren Medical Lounge is going to open a new chapter in medical care facility infrastructure that is available in Bangalore. I wish Anil Mehta a great success, and I also compliment the friends who have joined him, those experts who will join him to make this type of vision a successful one. I thank Anil Mehta and also his family members for having given me this great opportunity to open this Seren Medical Lounge and also be with their family and their well-wishers on this important occasion. Thank you.
Yeah.
You can turn little.
Honourable and respected Shri H K Patil sir. I see him more as a visionary and a very knowledgeable person with whom even 2 minutes of spending time with him feels like a bhandar of knowledge that has come into me. The idea of this Seren Med Lounge was to ensure that today, if I can give you an example, we have some problem in our health, physical problem, and that is if it is this much. The fact that the load of information we get from all around, be it our social circle, the media, the WhatsApp, Google, it gives us loads of information. But at the same time, it confuses the individual thoroughly. Now, this confusion actually leads to a very heightened anxiety, fear, and a big amount of stress. Today, the biggest disease in the world is stress. So I felt that every time that we treat patient, we had to bring down from that level to the actual physical problem. And that I always found as a challenge. So when I went on hunting for ways to reduce that, so that we only have to deal with this, where the patient themselves also feel, yeah, this is the problem actually this much, and this is now what happens with this disease. What are the prognosis? So when we explain the diagnosis, when we explain what are the possible modes of treatment and which is the best treatment and why is this the best treatment, I think when we can clear all their doubts, all the information that has come gets, which is so cluttered, gets clear and we see a clear path. Oh yes, this is what I have, this is the treatment, I am going to be fine. This journey is what I wanted to bring it up here, where an environment like this, a serene environment, should make a person feel relaxed, feel confident, and should be able to, so that we just have to treat a small problem, not the problem which has become so big in our minds. Once we bring it down to that, I think we have achieved a lot in opening a center like this. So, in fact, we have been saying that this is a new chapter in surgical healthcare, because this is another point of view where, if you go back last century, one surgery and the person would be under rest for months together. From there, we move to weeks of rest. From there, we move to days. And today, we are talking of daycare surgery. So, what is the idea behind this? The whole idea is, let us get rid of that fear, that anxiety about surgery. Because when surgery is required, it is required. And that is the only way to deal with it. At that point of time, let us not get an additional stress of going through a surgery and worrying too much about it. Once we reduce the duration of healing time by bringing it down to a daycare surgery, patient gets admitted in the morning, surgery done by evening back home, next day morning back to work. Don't you think that would be amazing? So the patient very quickly forgets that they also underwent surgery. And I think that would be another future challenges where I would like to bring more and more surgeries under daycare. The priority always and always being safety of the patient. So if we are able to do this, we are going to work towards doing this. So that should take us to opening many such centers across Bangalore and Karnataka, maybe further, to ensure that we are able to reach out to people and give them just a solace and a peace of mind, and to feel that surgery is not something that we should be so scared. It is something where we are only getting rid of some baggage which actually needs to go into the dustbin. So because you can't do it yourself, we are here to do it. That's all. Thank you.
ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಸರ್. ಇದೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಅಂಡ್ ವೆಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅನಿಲ್ ಅವರು ಈ ಸೆರೆನ್ ಮೆಡ್ ಲಾಂಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಇವತ್ತು. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ ನಾವೊಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಅದೊಂದು ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ ಹತ್ರ ಹೇಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೀವಿ, ದ ಮೊಮೆಂಟ್ ನಾವು ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಾವ್ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಷ್ಟು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ಅದೊಂದು ಅವರು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅವಾಗಲೇ, ಒಂದು ಟೇಬಲ್ ಆ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಈ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಸಂಬಂಧ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಒಂದ್ ಭಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನಾದ್ರು ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗೇನೋ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೇನೋ ಅಥವಾ ಇನ್ನೇನಾದ್ರು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೇನೋ ಅಂತ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಕ್ರಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಅವ್ರು ಓಪನ್ ಆಗಿ ಅವರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅದರಿಂದ ಇವರು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬಹುದು ಅಂಡ್ ಎಫೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅವರು, ಇಫ್ ಐ ನಾಟ್ ರಾಂಗ್, ಅದನ್ನ ಅವರು ಪ್ರಯತ್ನ ಪಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಇದು ವೆರಿ ನೆಸೆಸರಿ ಇವಾಗ ಇತ್ತು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಮ್ಮ ಯಂಗ್ಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೂ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಸ್, ಎಲ್ಲಾ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ವಿಷಯಕ್ಕೂ ಡಿಪ್ರೆಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅದನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ವಿಷಯನ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಪೇಷಂಟ್ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳದೆ ಒಂದು ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಮ್ಗೆ ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತಗೊಳಕ್ಕೆ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಅಂಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಹೆಲ್ದಿ ಆಗಿರೋಣ. ಅಂಡ್ ಅನಿಲ್ ಸರ್, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ನಿರ್ಭಯವಾಗಿರೋಣ ಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ದಂಗೆ. ಅಂಡ್ ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗೆ ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್. And may there be more healthy and let everyone be healthy around the country. Thank you so much.
We are here to make everyone healthy. Thank you.